Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix YouTube shorts like, comments or share option not showing problem. So if you are not seeing like button, comments option or share option in YouTube shorts, then here follow the fixes to solve this issue. So first of all, open Play Store, tap on search for YouTube and tap on it. Now if you see update option, then kindly update it. So just wait for it. And once YouTube app get updated, then go back. Now tap and hold YouTube app icon, then click on app info and then click on force stop and confirm it. Then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it. Then click on clear data and confirm it. Then go back. And then you can launch YouTube app and you can check YouTube shorts like, comment, share option is showing. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.